Many companies rely on technology to streamline operations and improve efficiency. However, staying ahead means adopting new tools that can truly transform the way you work. Let's explore 3 technologies that are becoming essential for businesses. Artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's revolutionizing how businesses operate. From automating repetitive tasks to providing insights through predictive analytics, AI tools can save time, reduce costs, and improve decision-making. AI-powered chatbots, for instance, can enhance customer service by providing instant, accurate responses to inquiries. Zero-trust security solutions. With cyber attacks becoming more sophisticated, zero-trust security models are quickly becoming a necessity. Unlike traditional security, which assumes users inside the network are trustworthy, zero-trust verifies every user and device trying to access your systems. This proactive approach ensures sensitive data stays secure, even in an increasingly remote and cloud-based environment. Edge computing. Edge computing allows data processing to happen closer to where it's generated, reducing latency and improving performance. This is particularly valuable for businesses that rely on real-time data, like retail stores using IoT sensors or logistics companies tracking shipments. By reducing reliance on centralized systems, edge computing can boost efficiency and resilience. Adopting these technologies can give your business a competitive edge, improve productivity, and enhance security. If you'd like to learn more about how these solutions can work for you, give our team a call. We're happy to help.